The following message is transmitted by request of the Cartoon Network Police Department. An unidentified young man wanted for murder in the city is on the loose. At 1:58 p.m., authorities received reports of 3 homicides in the area. The known victims include a civil robot, a man resembling the shape of a star, and a local resident dressed up like a sailor. Each of the victims were gunned down and shot at point blank, and so far no leads have been discovered in this investigation. Witnesses, however, describe the gunman as a Muppet, with fuzzy red fur and standing at about 5 feet tall. If you see the suspect, dial 911 or call your local police department from a safe distance. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets for more information. The following message is transmitted by request of the Cartoon Network Police Department. Authorities want to warn the public to be on the lookout for an armed suspect wanted for the murders of all 3 of Alvin and the Chipmunks, and for the murder of Barney the dinosaur. The suspect is a red furry Muppet standing at about 5 feet tall and armed with a 9mm handgun. Police believe it is the same suspect that murdered 2 men in the area back in June of this year. He is considered armed and dangerous, and would kill anyone that gets in his way. If you see this Muppet person, do not interfere with him, but dial 911 or call your local police department from a safe distance. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets for more information. The following message is transmitted by request of the Cartoon Network Police Department. 3 more people have been confirmed as murder victims of the furry red Muppet wanted for shooting several people to death near the city of Cartoon Network, Nebraska throughout the day, and for killing 2 people back in June of this year. The latest victim is the Burger King mascot, who was gunned down execution style near a UPS store. His body was discovered by an employee working at the store. Police are continuing their manhunt to track down and apprehend the suspect before he strikes and kills again. He is considered armed and dangerous. The suspect is a Muppet standing at about 5 feet tall, with furry red skin. If you see this violent young man, dial 911 immediately. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets for more information. An administrative message from the Cartoon Network Police Department. The red furry Muppet wanted for several murders in the area over the last 6 months and posed as a threat to residents all afternoon has been shot and killed by famous and well-known hero armed with a Glock 43, and is known for the heroic acts in an unusual and dangerous event. Despite being a celebrity, the government is refusing to disclose his identification through the emergency alert system. We ask that you tune to your local news for all the details on this aftermath. Authorities have stated that the danger to residents that prompted a civil danger warning in Cartoon Network, Nebraska is over. The Muppet suspect has been identified as Elmo from Sesame Street, and what motivated him to cause a series of murders remains unknown. To repeat, the danger to residents in Cartoon Network Nebraska is over.